How much should you actually spend on a walk-in tub? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper ones, but returning the pricier options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Clean Cut Convertible Tub Kit. First up is the Clean Cut Convertible Tub Conversion Kit, priced at $475. Now, this caught my attention because it offers a budget-friendly way to transform your existing tub into a safer shower without a complete remodel. If you want an affordable solution to enhance your bathroom safety, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit has a dual-function design that lets you convert your bathtub into a step-through shower, which can help prevent falls if you struggle with high tub walls. The removable watertight insert locks securely in place, making it easy to switch between bathing and showering as you please. It's designed with aging in mind, so it reduces the risk of accidents, which is crucial for anyone looking to age in place. Plus, it's a bestseller with a solid 4.6 star rating from 202 reviewers, which shows it's been well received. Now, some people complain about the installation being a bit tricky, and I get that. Here's the thing though, if you have a decent DIY ability, it's manageable. Just be prepared for a little elbow grease, and you'll save a ton compared to a full tub replacement. This is perfect for you if you're looking to make your bathroom safer without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're set on a brand new tub, or if you need something built in. For the price, it's a smart value. Now, if the installation challenges of the Clean Cut Kit worry you, the next one really takes ease of use into account. Product number 2, ANZZI Walk-In Tub 27 by 53. Next on the list is the ANZZI Walk-In Tub, measuring 27 by 53 inches with a price tag of $2,970. This one really caught my eye with its soothing hydrotherapy features. If you want a spa-like experience at home, this is definitely worth a look. The ANZZI tub offers a targeted combination of 12 Whirlpool and 18 air jets, which means you'll get a remarkable massage to ease sore muscles. Perfect after a long day. Plus, the quick-fill deck-mounted faucet and inline heater allow you to enjoy your soak sooner without having to wait around. Can you imagine how nice it would be to jump right into warm water? With a capacity of 93.79 gallons, you're also looking at plenty of space to stretch out. Worth noting, it has a decent 4.1 star rating from 174 reviews, indicating that it provides good value for its price. However, a few users mentioned the size could feel cramped for larger individuals. Here's the thing though, if you're average-sized and want a tub that offers a luxurious feel without spending a fortune, this tub is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious bathing experience at home. Skip this one if space is a concern or if you need something wider. For what you get, it's a pretty strong value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something with more jets. Product number 3. ANZZI Walk-In Tub 30 by 53. The third product is another ANZZI Walk-In Tub, but this one measures 30 by 53 inches and is priced at $3,832. What's cool about this model is the additional jets for an even better hydrotherapy experience. If you're serious about relaxation in the tub, this is a great consideration. This tub features 9 hydro jets and 26 air jets, creating a full-body massage that can help relieve tension and stress. It also includes a quick-fill faucet and a fast drain system, so you won't waste time waiting around before or after your bath. The built-in chromotherapy lighting and aromatherapy options are really nice touches, creating a spa ambience right in your bathroom. With a 4.1 star rating from 174 reviews, it seems to be popular among buyers who prioritize relaxation. Now, a common complaint is about the installation process being a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, once it's in place, the comfort and therapeutic benefits are absolutely worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a true spa experience at home. Skip this one if installation is something you want to avoid or if you prefer a simpler setup. For its features, it holds strong value. Now, if the number of jets in this model excites you, wait until you hear about the next one that takes comfort to another level. Product number 4. The ANZZI Walk-In Tub 27 by 53 with jets. Next up is the ANZZI Walk-In Tub, 27 by 53 inches, with a price of $2,796. This model has a great combination of jets for soothing hydrotherapy. If you want a tub that balances comfort and safety, this one is definitely worth checking out. It features a low-threshold walk-in design, which means safer entry and exit. The targeted 10 Whirlpool and 18 ACU Stream air jets work to relax sore muscles and ease tension. The quick-fill faucet and inline heater mean you can enjoy warm water sooner, which is a game-changer. With a solid 4-star rating from 124 reviews, it's getting noticed for its effective design and comfort. However, some users have pointed out that the jets could be positioned better for optimal effect. Here's the thing. While this is a valid point, it still provides a good massage, especially if you're not overly tall. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of safety features and hydrotherapy without overspending. Skip this one if you expect a perfect jet layout for your needs. Considering its specs, it's a strong contender. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear about our final product, which boasts even more features. Product number 5, ANZZI Walk-In Tub 30 by 60. Finally, we have the ANZZI Walk-In Tub 30 by 60 inches, priced at $3,919. This one really takes the cake with a powerful hydrotherapy setup. If you want a top-tier tub that prioritizes both comfort and luxury, this one's worth your attention. This model has 8 adjustable Whirlpool jets and 4 targeted back jets, plus a whopping 24 ACU Stream air jets, making it a superb option for those who need serious muscle relaxation. The quick-fill faucet means you won't be waiting long to enjoy a soak, and with a powered fast drain, emptying the tub is a breeze. Rated 4 stars by 124 reviewers, it's recognized for its reliability and comfort. Now, some users mentioned that the price is on the higher side. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for luxury and performance in your bathing experience, it's an investment that pays off in comfort. This is perfect for you if you're serious about creating a spa-like atmosphere at home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or looking for simpler features. For the quality, you really can't beat it. So, to sum it all up, the Clean Cut Kit is ideal for budget-conscious safety upgrades, while the ANZZI 27 by 53 offers a great spa feel. The 30 by 53 ANZZI enhances that experience even more, and the 27 by 53 with jet strikes a near-perfect balance of features. Finally, the ANZZI 30 by 60 truly caters to those wanting the ultimate luxury. Each tub has its strengths, but it really depends on what you're looking for in your bathing experience.